Audi. The name itself evokes a sense of sophisticated luxury and cutting-edge technology. As an automobile enthusiast, I've always been drawn to cars that push the boundaries of performance and design. Audi has consistently delivered on this front, solidifying its place as a leader in the premium automotive world. From their iconic Quattro all-wheel drive system to their sleek and stylish designs, Audi vehicles are a testament to German engineering prowess. Audi's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of their vehicles, from the advanced powertrains to the luxurious interiors. Whether it's a sporty coupe, a refined sedan, or a versatile SUV, Audi offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. With a rich racing heritage and a global presence, Audi continues to captivate drivers around the world. The story of Audi begins in the heart of Germany with a man named August Horch. In 1909, Horch, an ambitious engineer with a passion for automobiles, founded his second car company. He named it Audi, the Latin translation of his last name, which means listen in German. This marked the beginning of a legacy that would go on to shape the automotive industry. The four rings in the Audi emblem, one of the most recognizable logos in the world, represent the merger of four independent car makers in 1932. Media, close-up of the Audi four rings logo, vintage car logos of Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer, historical footage of car logos. Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer. This union, known as Auto Union, pooled the resources and expertise of these companies, paving the way for Audi's future success. The company faced its share of challenges in the following decades, including the devastation of World War II. However, Audi's commitment to innovation and engineering excellence never wavered. Audi has always stood apart from its competitors by offering a unique blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Audi doesn't just build cars, they craft driving experiences. Their vehicles are designed to appeal to discerning drivers who demand the best of the best. Step inside an Audi and you're greeted with a meticulously crafted interior. High-quality materials, ergonomic design, and advanced technology come together to create a truly luxurious ambiance. But Audi's commitment to luxury goes beyond just aesthetics. It's about the feeling you get when you grip the leather-wrapped steering wheel, hear the refined purr of the engine, and experience the seamless acceleration. It's about the confidence of knowing you're behind the wheel of a machine that's as capable as it is sophisticated. One of the key factors that sets Audi apart is its unwavering focus on technological innovation. From its legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system to its groundbreaking virtual cockpit, Audi has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in a car. The Quattro system, first introduced in 1980, revolutionized the automotive industry. This revolutionary all-wheel drive system provided superior traction, handling, and stability, giving Audi a significant competitive edge, particularly in motorsports. The Quattro system wasn't just for rally cars, though. Audi made this performance-enhancing technology available across its lineup, enhancing the driving experience for everyday drivers. Beyond Quattro, Audi has continued to innovate with its advanced engine technologies, lightweight construction, and driver assistance systems, cementing its reputation as a technological leader in the automotive industry. Section 5. Unleashing Performance, the S and RS Pedigree. For those seeking the ultimate in performance, Audi's S and RS models deliver thrills in spades. These high-performance variants of Audi's standard models are designed for enthusiasts who crave exhilarating acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and head-turning style. The S models offer a balance of performance and practicality, making them ideal for daily driving with a sporty edge. The RS models, on the other hand, are uncompromising performance machines. Developed by Audi Sport, the brand's high-performance division, RS models boast powerful engines, track-tuned suspensions, and aggressive styling. These cars are built for speed and handling, capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. Whether it's the iconic Audi R8 supercar, the powerful RS6 Avant, or the agile RS3 sedan, Audi's high-performance models are in a league of their own. Section 6. Driving Towards Tomorrow, Audi's Electric Vision. As the automotive industry shifts towards a more sustainable future, Audi is at the forefront of this electric revolution. The brand has made significant investments in electric vehicle technology, developing a range of compelling EVs that combine performance, luxury, and environmental consciousness. Audi's e-tron lineup includes a variety of models, from sleek SUVs to sporty grand tourers. These EVs are not just about being eco-friendly, they offer all the luxury, performance, and technology that Audi is known for. With impressive range, quick charging capabilities, and powerful electric motors, Audi's EVs provide a glimpse into the exciting future of mobility. Audi understands that sustainability and performance are not mutually exclusive. Their commitment to developing innovative EV technologies demonstrates their dedication to creating a greener future without compromising on the driving experience. Section 7. From Track to Road. A global force in motorsports. Audi's commitment to performance isn't just evident in its production cars, it's deeply rooted in its motorsports heritage. The brand has a long and storied history in racing, competing at the highest levels of motorsports, including Formula One, Le Mans, and rally racing. Audi's success on the track has not only earned them countless victories and championships, but it has also driven the development of new technologies and innovations that have trickled down to their road cars. The Quattro all-wheel drive system, for example, was first developed and perfected in rally racing, where it gave Audi a significant advantage on loose and slippery surfaces. This technology then made its way into Audi's production cars, becoming synonymous with the brand's performance and handling prowess. Audi's involvement in motorsports is a testament to their engineering excellence and their dedication to pushing the limits of what's possible. The Audi Experience Advantages of Ownership. Owning an Audi is more than just owning a car. It's about experiencing a lifestyle. Audi vehicles are designed to enhance every aspect of the driving experience, from the moment you get behind the wheel to the moment you arrive at your destination. One of the most appealing aspects of Audi ownership is the luxurious and refined interior. From the supple leather seats to the meticulously crafted dashboard, every detail is designed to create a sense of comfort and sophistication. Audi's commitment to technology is also evident in its advanced infotainment systems, driver assistance features, and safety innovations. Whether it's the intuitive MMI infotainment system, the comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, or the advanced safety systems, Audi vehicles are packed with technology designed to make driving safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable. Owning an Audi is a statement. It's a statement of success, of discerning taste, and of appreciation for quality and performance. The price of prestige, considering the drawbacks. While Audi ownership offers a plethora of advantages, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks as well. One of the main considerations is the higher cost of ownership. Audi vehicles tend to be more expensive to purchase than their mainstream counterparts. Additionally, insurance, maintenance, and repairs can also be more costly. Another factor to consider is the potential complexity of Audi's infotainment systems. While these systems are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, they can sometimes be overwhelming for first-time Audi owners. The multitude of features and settings can take some time to learn and master. It's also worth noting that Audi vehicles, particularly those with larger engines or performance variants, may have higher fuel consumption rates compared to more fuel-efficient alternatives. Prospective buyers should weigh these factors against their individual needs and priorities when considering an Audi. The Audi Allure, a legacy of excellence. Despite the potential drawbacks, Audi remains a highly sought-after brand among premium car enthusiasts. The allure of Audi lies in its unique combination of luxury, performance, technology, and heritage. From its iconic Quattro all-wheel drive system to its sleek and stylish designs, Audi vehicles exude a sense of sophistication and performance that is hard to match. The brand's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of its vehicles, from the advanced powertrains to the luxurious interiors. Whether it's a sporty coupe, a refined sedan, or a versatile SUV, Audi offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Audi's rich racing heritage and its global presence further solidify its status as a leader in the premium automotive world. For drivers who demand the best of the best, Audi continues to be a compelling choice. Conclusion: a continuing legacy. From its humble beginnings in Germany to its current status as a global automotive powerhouse, Audi has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive innovation and design. With its unwavering commitment to performance, luxury and technology, Audi continues to captivate drivers around the world. Whether it's the thrill of driving an Audi RS model on a winding road, the confidence of navigating challenging weather conditions with Quattro all-wheel drive, or the satisfaction of experiencing the latest in-car technology, Audi ownership is an experience unlike any other. As Audi continues to evolve and innovate, embracing electric mobility and pushing the boundaries of automotive technology, one thing remains certain: the brand with the four rings will continue to be synonymous with automotive excellence for generations to come.